Hello lettering friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and my main goal is to help you create your unique lettering style to express your most confident self. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 3 reasons why faux calligraphy is the first thing I teach to lettering beginners. Before we get started, if you don't know what faux calligraphy is, in my Faux Calligraphy Basics tutorial, I explained everything you need to know about it and broke it down into the basic strokes. I'll link to that video in the description below. I love faux calligraphy and used it exclusively for at least the first month of learning hand lettering. Basically, faux calligraphy is using any regular pen to get the look of calligraphy without using fancy calligraphy tools. The overly simplified description is that you thicken all of the downstrokes. Alright, with that, let's get right into it. 3 reasons why faux calligraphy is the first thing I teach to lettering beginners. The first reason is probably the most obvious reason. With faux calligraphy, you can use any pen or even pencil. Lettering doesn't have to be expensive. You don't have to go out and buy any special pens. All you need is a pen, pencil, crayon, any writing tool. Even if you don't end up loving faux calligraphy like I do, it definitely helps to get a hang of where the downstrokes are and where the upstrokes are right from the start without needing a fancy pen. Number 2, everyone knows how to use a pen. Okay, I guess almost everyone. But hand lettering and calligraphy are so different from regular handwriting and cursive that there is a huge learning curve. However, with faux calligraphy, there is less of a learning curve because you don't have to also learn how to use a new type of pen. This gives you some comfort when learning a new skill. The last reason is my personal favorite. Faux calligraphy is easily customizable to any style. I'm not just talking about using different tools like chalk lettering or paint pen lettering, although those both use faux calligraphy. I mean any lettering style can be done with faux calligraphy. A script style, elegant and flowy, hard and rigid, or chunky and quirky. It's more simple to create different styles with faux calligraphy because you're not worried about how to use the pen, and you are slowing down to focus on the little details of your letters, specifically your letter forms. And it's all of those little details that make up a style. Like I said, I love faux calligraphy. There's so much you can do with it. I've done several videos about it recently, and this is why I created a Skillshare class on this very topic. I can't wait to show you more about this class. It was so fun to create. So you know if it might be a good fit for you, here is my intro video that will explain more about the class. Hello lettering friends. Are you looking for a fun way to change up your lettering style? Maybe you want to learn lettering, but you don't want to just learn one person's font? You are in the right place. I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and in this class, I'm going to show you how to do faux calligraphy to create unique lettering styles. In case you don't know what faux calligraphy is, it's basically using any regular pen to get the look of calligraphy without any fancy calligraphy tools. If you've never heard of this before, don't worry, I'll show you all of the basics of faux calligraphy in the first lesson. I will also give you faux calligraphy practice sheets so you can build your foundation. These practice sheets can be found in the resource section of this class. And on top of that foundation, we're going to go even further. Because faux calligraphy is such a simple trick, it's really helpful in creating different, unique styles. I'm going to break this down for you in 3 easy steps to create a unique style. Once you know these steps, you'll be able to apply this to all of your lettering, no matter what lettering pens you use. In this class, I will be using the Tombow twin tone pens, but you can use any regular pen, even a pencil. It feels so good to know that you can create your own lettering styles without relying on anyone else. This class will give you the tools to feel that way. At the end of this class, you'll be lettering your name in all different styles. I'm so excited to share this with you and see what you come up with. Let's get started. If you take this class in the first week, you will be entered into a giveaway to win your name lettered by me in all of these different styles, and I will send you the original piece no matter where in the world you live. If this class sounds like a good fit for you, you can find the link in the description below. If you've never heard of Skillshare, it's one of my favorite resources to learn new skills. With a premium membership, you can take any class you want. I've taken classes on business, art, lettering, and even baking fancy treats like macarons. If you're new to Skillshare, you can sign up for a free 2-month trial using my special link below. I do make a small commission if you sign up, but it's free for you. It's a great way to support me, and then you can take all the classes you want for free for 2 months, including all of my classes. To finish this video, I am so interested to hear, do you agree with me on why fauxligraphy should be taught to beginners? Did you learn with fauxligraphy or something else? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. As always, friends, I want to thank you for being here and watching this video. I wouldn't be able to do this if you weren't here. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you in my Skillshare class. If not, I will see you in my next video.